Hi everybody, and welcome to Monday, November 8th. Alright everybody, for today we've got a big agenda. We are getting into argumentative writing. Woo! I know, very exciting time for us in the writing process. Alright chicos, for today we are going to be going ahead and I'm going to break down the argumentative writing, how we write, the basics of writing a full essay. This is going to prepare us for January when you guys are going to be writing DWAs. I want to make sure you guys understand the basics of writing. We've not only learned how to do TPAC writing, but now we're going to break it down a little bit more for today, okay? This is just going to be a notes kind of taking day. I had you guys take notes in class, so if you're working from home or you are just working outside, go ahead, feel free to take notes on this and catch up if you need a little bit more of a kind of a helping hand. Let's get into it. By the way, some of you have also seen this presentation already. Don't be surprised. It's kind of the same format. Okay, today we are building a cheeseburger, aka an argumentative essay, chicos. As a warning, this presentation will inform you of a formula for your argumentative essay. A formula is great for beginners, but not so great forever. Okay, hopefully one day you will actually move past this formula. For now, I want you to keep it simple. I want you to stick to this formula. It's going to help you just be aware of what you need to input into an essay and how to make it a full and complete essay so you have full and complete answers, okay? All right, let's get into it. The very first paragraph, so you're going to be writing a total of 5 paragraphs. If you're taking notes, please note that. It's 5 total paragraphs. The first one is the introduction. It's all about a perfectly toasted hamburger bun. Don't write a soggy introduction that will make your essay fall apart. Your introduction has 4 sentences. Write that down. So, 5 paragraphs. First paragraph is the introduction. It has 4 sentences in it. Those 4 sentences are the hook, tag, context, and thesis statement. Again, please write that down if you need to. Alright, these always go in order, by the way, okay? Tag and context, you could switch around a little bit, but for this time, we're just going to stick to the formula, stick to it, stay right there. Okay, the hook. The hook, really, chicos, is how you catch a reader's attention, okay? You can do this through showing a very interesting example, a quotation, remember quotation marks, so quotes for something, a puzzling scenario, a vivid and perhaps unexpected anecdote, so like a mini story, or a detailed description or a situation of a scene, an observation, something you've seen in the world, about an issue or topic. An example of a hook me and Ms. Arroyo wrote was, at Mendez, red-dyed fingers are a common scene as countless students dip their hands into bags stuffed with spicy and fiery hot Cheetos. Little do they know that they are ingesting chemicals and fats that are harmful to the body and have no nutritional value. Alright? So right here, already in the hook, we are seeing this scene. Some of you might be interested. This whole essay was about junk food, but I didn't just say junk food was bad. No. I painted you a picture. I showed you at Mendez. These students had spicy red hot fingers, okay? Do not use any questions in your hook. I don't know who taught you, chicos, to write questions in your hooks, but don't do it, okay? They're like broccoli. Questions are great, but in cheeseburgers, they don't belong, okay? Also, don't use in this paper, I will argue about my evidence, my thesis statement. Avoid using my, avoid using the word I. Don't have any of that, okay? Alright, the next sentence, right after hook, the next sentence is tag. Title, author, genre. Title, author, genre. Tag, tag, tag. Okay? Tag, you're just going to present the title in article A, B, C, and infographic D. By, if there's an author, who are the authors? And the genre, nonfiction. Okay? Remember, genre is nonfiction, suspense, thrillers. It's a type of literature. Okay? You're going to include that tag. Because these things didn't just come up from your brains. You didn't randomly get quotations from nowhere. You didn't get this evidence from thin air. You got it from someone. Okay? Okay? So, this is tag. Alright. Context. That's the next, that's the next statement, next sentence in your thesis statement. Okay? Build the background information. Tell me what's going on in this argument. If we're talking about junk food, tell me what's going on with junk food in America. You guys are writing about animal testing. What's going on with animal testing? Why is it so controversial? Okay, tell me a little bit about the argument. Don't just throw the reader into the water. Okay, this is the last sentence of your introduction. The thesis statement. Pick a side, and I want you to include 3 main reasons why you pick that side, okay? Pick a side, 3 main reasons. These 3 reasons will end up being your 3 body paragraphs. This is where you get those reasons, why those paragraphs are about these specific reasons. Okay, junk food should be banned in schools. There's the side. The side I took was should be banned. You guys are writing about animal cruelty and animal testing. Animal testing should be banned. Animal testing should continue because, what are your reasons? Reason 1, it contributes to childhood obesity. 2, it lacks nutritional value. 3, it causes a distraction in school. Those are my 3 reasons. I'm going to then write an entire paragraph about how it contributes to childhood obesity, another whole paragraph about how it lacks nutritional value, and another paragraph about how it causes a distraction in school. Bam. Alright, so that's your introduction. Bam, you're done. Wham, bam, slam. No, you still got your body paragraph to go. This is the special stuff. This is the yummy stuff, okay? It's where all the flavorful ideas are. Okay, the elements of a good body paragraph. This is a lot, right? You're looking at this like, whoa, Mr. Knowles, whoa. Okay, I got you. Ready? In order for you to have a good body paragraph, you are going to follow TIPA-EPAC. It is 8 sentences. You know, wow, so many sentences. But you already know the formula. It is TIPA-EPA. So, it's like TPAC, but a little bit more. It has a T, a topic sentence, E, evidence, P, paraphrase, A, analysis. Now here's where it gets a little funky. We do a remix. You have a second piece of evidence, completely different from the first piece of evidence. You have a paraphrase that's specifically about that new piece of evidence, and an analysis that is about that specific new piece of evidence. Then you have a conclusion. Okay? Then a concluding sentence. Alright? So that's it. That's all you do. TIPA-EPAC. So that's for body paragraph 1 and 2. Same thing. Topic sentence, evidence, paraphrase, analysis, evidence 2, paraphrase 2, analysis 2, conclusion. Bam. Next one. Body paragraph 3 is where it gets a little bit funky. You have something called a counter argument right here. A counter argument is good reasoning. It explains a viewpoint or a perspective of the other side of the debate. Okay? But you have to still show how that other side is wrong. So I could say junk food is tasty. My side of the argument is that junk food should be banned. But I understand junk food is tasty. Junk food is sometimes more accessible. It's easier to get a hold of. So I could say the opposition may say that junk food tastes better and is easier to get a hold of, but they are incorrect because it ultimately causes a distraction in school. I hope you notice that. I use my third reason because this is the reason that builds my third body paragraph. Okay? I'm going to say that again. In my counter statement, I use my third reason because my third reason is my third body paragraph. Okay? That is your counter argument. So, body paragraph number 3 still has TIPA-EPAC. We went over that topic, evidence, paraphrase, analysis, evidence 2, paraphrase 2, analysis 2, and a conclusion. But it also features a counterclaim. It can be at the beginning or it can be at the end. Okay? The counter argument or opposing claim. It's kind of like French fries. They make everything better. A counter argument just makes your essay so much better. Okay? You have these options. Now, the counter argument sentence starters. Here's some sentence starters that will help you get started with your counter argument that are out there. Okay? I'm going to give you these sentence starters, so don't be panicking to try and find this presentation or this video. I will give these to you. But these are a couple of examples. So I could say, opponent, although some believe that junk food tastes better, they are mistaken because it ultimately causes a distraction in school. And then we carry on. Okay? Make sure to keep your paper saucy, chicos, okay? Instead of writing says, use, remember, the article's not saying anything. It concludes, it remarks, it asserts, it defines, it states. Don't just say the word says, alright? Use that in figurative language, avoid the to be's, all that fun stuff. The conclusion. Your conclusion is a transition word and a topic sentence that refers back to the thesis statement. I told you guys you can go ahead and kind of paraphrase, so you re-say it in a new way for your thesis statement. Don't just summarize. This is your last chance to persuade the reader to believe you, okay? All right, last section of notes that I had you guys take is this. Never, nope, no, nada. I never want to see stuff, thing, good, cool, bad, sad, annoying, stupid, dumb, slang words, curse words, abbreviations for texting, emojis, questions in the hook. None of this. Any statement that has to do with I. Okay, if you know you do this, watch out in your writing. Do not have this, okay? Repetition. Do not repeat yourself over and over again, especially in your commentary. It's not tasty to repeat. Alright? After that, we did our exit ticket for today. What part of argumentative essay structure would you like more information on? This was a heavier video. This was a lot to cover. We spent an entire class on it. You took notes. This is why. Alright, you guys. As always, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. Send me an email, and I'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.